Around 70 to 80% of my salary was going into EMI. So I was not able to save month on month. So instead that I was going in a debt month on month. Other online gurus, but the problem with them is they were more in selling this product. I think I should take this guy seriously. The biggest result is a peace of mind, a healthy body, a healthy family environment, which is result of a financial planning. Earlier, I was riding two-wheeler on muddy road in the dark without headlight. Now I'm driving Ferrari or Tesla on 10-lane highway
Wow.
in cruise mode. If you're struggling, if you're doing better also, for that you require people like Rohit itself. If I can do, you can also do it.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another success interview. Today we have Ravindra Kumar ji with us. He'll be sharing his story, how his journey was and how he's feeling good today. So welcome Ravindra ji to this episode.
Thank you, Rohit. Good morning.
Good morning. So Ravindra, ji, before starting, I would like to know your background, like from where you are, who all are there in your family. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore. I'm a software engineer. I stay with my wife, two kids in Bangalore.
Okay, perfect. So we have a lot of people from Bangalore today
Yes,
nowadays.
yes.
Nice. Okay. So, Ravindraji, I would like to start by asking you, what do you think? What was one moment in your life where you felt like I have a lot of financial issues now? I want to take control of that. I want to solve this.
Yeah, I had a steady income and a very handsome salary, but what was the salary I was getting? It was going in EMIs, credit card bills. So I was not able to save month on month. So instead that I was going in a debt month on month. So when I look at the people around, people who have half of the salary than me, they are happy and they're financially stable. Then I realized must be something wrong. I need to get some a guru's help. So then I saw your ad on YouTube, and that's how I connected with you.
Nice, nice. Thank you for sharing. So, Ravindra, what about your like how much percentage do you feel like before you joined the community, before you talked to me, was going towards EMIs?
Around 70 to 80% of my salary was going into EMI. Apart from that, the extra whatever the financial needs were there, I was not able to meet it, even though I had a salary. So there's something was missing. So that's how I connected with you.
Nice. So for other people who are listening this, so sometimes people understand or think about like when my salary will increase, my problems will stop. But it doesn't happen like that because if the if the salary is small but the problems are not solved at that moment itself, then the problems will become bigger with the bigger salary as well. So that's what Ravinji is telling with us, right? So before joining, you might be having so many of doubts, fears in mind because there are so many people claiming big things. So what were the fears or how you solve those fears?
See, before joining, like I had connected with few of other online gurus, but the problem with them is they were more in selling this product. Take this product, take this insurance, take this uh, what mutual fund. Somehow I was not happy with that. So, but my issues were still going on. So even though gurus were there, they were helping me, but I was not able to solve. I thought, let me take a chance with you. I took a chance, but I was very skeptic that whether you are going to solve it or not. But after 2 or 3 days, I got one parcel to my home with your details, like with
Mm,
Momento. Then I thought
mm,
this guy is little different because till today I have purchased so many online courses. Nobody had sent that
gift.
momentum, yeah,
Uh,
gift.
uh,
Okay, I think I should take this guy seriously. Then I thought I had opened up with you. That's how things started falling in place.
Not knowing that welcome gift also creates a different feeling altogether. Right. So what I understood by this conversation so far is like There were so many people telling you so many things, but I think most of them were not able to understand what is the major problem that you're facing right now.
Correct.
They were just trying to sell you some products, some mutual funds, every other thing, but they're not understanding what is the core problem that you're facing.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, what made you trust the process? As you said, I think this was the gift that you got, or any other thing that you feel like, okay, that you made you trust the process and that made you start with the community.
I joined a couple of morning session where people were sharing their success stories.
Hmm.
Then, okay, one person telling a success story is fine, but there are plenty of people that are telling the same thing. Okay,
Hmm.
then there must be some stuff with this guy. So then I blindly tested you. Then things started working.
Hmm. Hmm. Nice. So, would you like to share with everybody here what is the biggest result you have achieved so far, financially and emotionally, if you
The
would like to
financial
share?
comes second. The
Hmm.
biggest result is a peace of mind, a
Wow.
healthy body, a healthy family environment, which is
Wow.
result of a financial planning. So
Yeah.
this is what I was looking for. That's what I got it.
Yeah. So before I still remember, I think when we talked for the first time, I could see that your face was very much worried about like current situation. And
Yeah,
once we started working on the process, I could see that happiness on the face.
yeah,
That happiness has come back. Do
yeah,
you feel
yeah.
like that?
Absolutely, you're right.
And does your family members feel that?
They do feel, but they don't know what happened.
Okay. So did they say something on that? That they see any changes?
Yes, they have they feel that I have changed,
Mm.
and the way they reciprocate with me also changed, and they keep wondering what happened. I have not told what happened, but there's a healthy environment.
Yeah, nice. So this might be because you have never told them like what is the stress that you are going through about the
Absolutely.
finances, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Because you don't want them to face it.
yeah.
So that's a very deeper point. Like we as men don't want that our family should face those issues,
Mm.
and we go through those struggles. So everybody, I would just like to share to you, whoever is watching this, is like your struggles have a solution. So don't struggle alone. Let's come up and solve those struggles so that you don't have to bear those stress, right? So what is the result on the financial part? Would you like to share percentage wise? What do you feel like?
As you said,
Mm,
struggle. The bigger the problem, the bigger the solution, bigger the happiness. So,
mm,
as I said earlier, my EMI shares of salary was around 70 to 80%. And moreover, add to that my other expenses, whether it is school, kids' school expenses or household expenses. Now, everything has come down to a 40%. Apart from that, I have a steady emergency fund, and I
mm,
have a plan for insurance, term plan. I mean, financially it's set. I mean, I know now you have so many loans. Now, earlier I was thinking, how do I close those loans? I'm nearing my retirement age, but now I have a plan how those loans will get closed on
mm,
its own. Yeah, I have a
mm,
path. Earlier, I was like, riding two-wheeler on muddy road in the dark without headlight. Now I'm
mm.
driving Ferrari or Tesla on 10, 10 lane highway
Wow,
with cruise mode.
wow, that's awesome to hear that. And this might be a roller coaster thing on your mindset as well. I feel like once you started and then you started feeling like okay, might be this will work, but once that started working, once you started seeing that the difference is getting created, so one go everything done.
Absolutely. I think
Mm,
first meeting, the solution was in front of me, but I was not able to see it. So
mm,
I
mm,
think it required for a disease, a surgeon is there who can identify what exactly the problem is. Like that, for a financial problem, there's a financial guru. So all the Excel sheet was in front of me. I was just staring at, but the same thing, you saw it and you gave me the solution that worked.
Wow. Thank you for sharing that. So, how much time per week did you actually spend on the process? Would you like to share with everybody? Because normally, when people work on anything, they feel like, okay, it will be very much time consuming, it will be so much of effort from our side. What do you think on that part?
To be honest, 2 meetings,
Two meetings, yeah.
just two
I
meetings.
think that. Hmm.
And I think, see, you have a process where everybody meets at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning. But I have a time constraint because during that time I prepare my kid and myself to go to office. So I was not able to join. But I just met twice, 2 sessions, maybe half an hour each. Everything was clear. I mean, I was sitting on a treasure which I was not able to
Understand.
identify it. You
Uh,
saw it, and you also give me the path or a process to get that treasure and utilize it.
and Ravindra, would you like to share like how many months or years would you have been struggling with these issues so far?
Past 2 to 3 years, I was struggling. Prior to that, I was pretty okay. See what happens. All those prior to that, the debt start kept on piling, but I did not notice it because I had a handsome salary. I think I was able to manage it. But at one point, it came to one point where I thought enough is enough. Every month, I can't go in debt. So I need to stop. I need to add value to myself and my financial situation. So now, prior to meeting you, so every month, maybe I was going minus 50. Now I'm adding plus 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh to my financial situation.
Wow, that's a big, huge amount, right?
Yep.
And what would have happened if you would have not taken this step? What you did? I know it's not a easy question, but still, I would like to know.
Struggle, I would have struggled a lot. My health would have been gone bad. A financial situation in home would be bad. My interaction with my family, friends, other relatives would be not normal because always you think in perspective of money. So I'll be under a lot of stress. So people, touched, I'm a very healthy man. People who went through all this stress, they have all medical issues just because there is some stress going on in their life. So I just plug the bud before it becoming big.
Nice. Anything that you would like to share with somebody who is right now stuck with EMIs, maybe for months, maybe for years? Anything that comes to your mind?
As you said, every problem has a solution. Only required is a keen eye, a trained eye to see the solution. If I can do it, if thousands of your mentee can do it, you can also do it. Only thing is, don't struggle, take help. How much your expert you are, whether you take any great player, Tendulkar or Ronaldo or Virat, how much they good they are in their sports, they require some mentor, some teacher, so that they can go further. So in the same way, if you are struggling, if you are doing better also, see whether you can do much better than that. For that, you require people like Rohit itself. So I say, even though you are doing good, please speak to Rohit and get in touch with him. He will make your life much more better.
Thank you for sharing that. And any two, three key lessons that or mindset shift that you would like to share with people being in the community or talking to me, anything?
Yeah. So you will learn from others' failures, other success, not only yours, and meeting every day. it'll recharge you. It will help you to focus on good thing, and you'll not be able to. Even though there are negative things, but if your mind is focused on positive things, the positive thing expands. So there is some energy in the group. That energy will destroy your negative things, your negative happening in the life. So better be in a group and solve your problem, make your life beautiful.
Wow. So any last thing to anybody who is struggling right now before we end this session?
Just join Rohit. He'll make your life much more prosperous and happy.
Thank you so much. So that's the brand name also of ours, Prosper with Rohit.
Yeah. See, it just came out, so that whatever is there, it's comes out with your mentees.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So before we end this, I wanted to end with a powerful line that we do it with everybody is, if I can do it, so can you.
Absolutely.
So with some power.
Yeah.
If I can do it, so can you. Come on.
Yeah.
I want you to repeat that with me.
If I can do, you can also do it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you, Ravindra, for sharing your story with everybody because it takes a lot of guts to come up and share with everybody because finances is one area where people don't want to open up, but the kind of reference that you get in life, it makes you feel like, okay, which we should share with others and they should also get the same difference in their life also. So thank you for being here and sharing with us.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you. Bye bye.